Hi everyone, my name is Vanilla Kohli Gupta. Welcome to Sunstone University, and today we will continue to talk about human resource specialization. In the previous video, we covered about what is human resources and what are the career opportunities within human resources. Please click on the I button to watch the previous video. In today's video, we will talk about how do you get to know if you are a suitable profile for a HR role, and also we will understand the job market for an HR role in the next 2 to 3 years. Please watch the full video to get all your queries answered about human resource specialization. And before we go ahead, please do not forget to subscribe to Sunstone University. So click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. So let's get started. The human resource management is a very broad area. There are big companies who will give you an opportunity to get specialized in a specific role in HR. However, in small firms, you will get an opportunity to be an all-rounder since you will be working in all the profiles of an HR. Your job role as an HR profile would involve a lot of activities. These activities could be screening of candidates, which would be you looking for talent pool for your organization. You will be doing background checks for newly hired employees. You have to manage how much an employee gets paid. This includes their benefits, their insurances, their perks, and also their vacations. You directly do not get involved in the finance. However, you play a very important role in financial decisions. In that way, you have to be absolutely flexible. This is one part of the human resource profile. However, the major part of human resource profile is to manage people and ensure they are skilled absolutely at par with what their job responsibilities require. Remember, you play a very important role. You are the bridge between the employee and the company. Work as a face of the company and interact with the employees face to face to ensure you handle day-to-day interactions and contingencies. You also play a very critical role while handling conflicts. You enact as a counselor to ensure the conflicts are taken care of. You also have other roles like letting the employees know whether they have got promoted, they have got transferred, or if they have been asked to leave. Being a part of an HR involves a lot of patience and skill set. You will have to handle conflicts between two employees, or even if they get into romantic involvement, you are the person who will be handling it. Basically, anything to do with overall productivity of an organization is something that you will be handling. Handling this is a skill set, and if you have that, you are an absolute suitable profile for HR role. Now let's talk about what is the job market for HR in the next 2 to 3 years, and also what is your ultimate goal when it comes to HR. Now, you are the person who makes sure that your employees are used to the best of their abilities. This should be done to make sure that there is full utilization of resources of the company. Now that brings us to a very important point, and that point is HR is a crucial role in all the industries. So that means that HR will be in demand throughout, because resources is something that the industries and the organizations will always have, and we have to manage our resources to ensure that we have full productivity and performance. Now, this would include responsibilities like ensuring motivation for the employees, to resolving problems, to hiring candidates as per the requirements. Hence, HR has a vast role and it will never go out of demand. Well, you name the industry and HR is required there. Healthcare, BPO, FMCG, banking, insurance, edutech, everywhere human resource profile is definitely required. So there are many job opportunities right now, and there will be a lot of job opportunities coming your way in the future as well. Thank you so much for watching, and stay updated by subscribing to Sunstone University.